Are you ready? Foot up, foot up, foot up. Another foot. Alright. 1, 2, 3.
I am your sunshine when you're down. I am that super river flow. I am the memory that you hold on to. I am the psychic that won't leave. Always a trick for you up my sleeve. I am the mirror that you look through, but you see.
What's up, my God?
Welcome back to our channel.
I'm Gabriel.
I'm Rachel.
I'm Tasara.
Yay, and who are you?
Capella is the dancer.
She hasn't been feeling very well, and this is Kupela. If you're new here,
Make sure to subscribe.
hit the bell button for notifications so every time we upload, you'll be the first to know.
Make sure to follow us on
We'll
Instagram.
have our handle right here.
We have our story updated every day.
Our story is lit, you guys. In today's video,
We're gonna overhaul a schoolboy's room.
yeah, we're gonna be surprising to Sarah with his schoolroom makeover. Are you ready? You wanna see what it turns out like? He's like, yeah, let's go.
Yeah, he's ready to go.
Alright, let's get straight into the video. I know for sure every American home has a house like this, and we are going to show you ours.
That's right. We have projects just like everyone else has projects. And
Never
this is a
complete.
project. And now you're here for it.
So, do you want to show them?
Yeah, let's show them.
Doom, 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 doom.
Ah!
And there it is. That is our storage.
Every time we find something new at a place, we get it, we pack it in here to do later, and now
Just
later
never
has come.
do it. Yep. This stuff has been here for like a year. I'm proud of us. In the long run, we do save money, but
That's right, because you gather it little by little when you see it. But
Exactly.
you never know at the end of the project if you have leftover, if you need more.
too much.
Yeah, so
As you can see. So let's get to clearing this out.
that's right.
Take it from here. First thing out. Passing them to Gabe. A Burberry purse. What? I'm finding like amazing purses here. Look at this. And there he goes. It's so sad. I don't even remember buying half of this stuff. Like, I don't even remember.
I'm bringing it this time.
Oh, you know that I don't even remember buying like some of that stuff.
Yeah, but it's going in the house regardless. I don't think they'll take this back now. Beyond 30 days.
I don't even remember. After that, we're done. Please be careful, Gabe.
Alright, we swap. I'm gonna start doing the electronic stuff. It's unplugging and moving, kind of awkward stuff. Rachel's got the Kasuli.
And now we're just going to clean it up. And now we mop. We leave the floor to dry. As you guys can see, we did the walls and everything when we moved in, but we never did this floor. So I can't wait for you guys to see what we will do to make it look superb. And that's our tile. So every time we find the right letter, he places it in and he hands it over to me and I place it as tile. It's actually proving to be harder than I thought. What about you?
Yeah, I knew it was gonna take a while.
I didn't think it would.
I think we're gonna miss something.
I hope not.
We did what we could with sorting them out.
Good job.
Are we gonna do ones like this, or
Yeah.
I say we put these aside
Go and get more letters downstairs.
Okay.
so we find the light colors and we mix them? Kind of thing?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay. So I'm gonna start building and see where we
More
go.
letters downstairs. Good job, Daddy. Would you found this for the deal?
Yeah.
Good job, Lizzie. Find more.
Okay. I'll be right back.
Yeah.
So this is what it's looking like so far. Good job, Daddy.
Good job, Mommy.
Muzzle man. Look how strong Daddy is, Uga.
Time for the unboxing. And the real work begins. I'm gonna need these. Alright. That's what I need. Lots of fun. Alright, there's this piece.
Alright, and now the inside drawer.
Well, the desk.
Shelf.
Yeah.
Can't wait for him to see it. He'll be so excited.
Desk is in. No break time. As usual, projects are never done. Now you gotta mount a bunch of stuff on the wall. I'm tired, but let's get to it. Doesn't mount itself. Hey, just real quick, how high up did you want this?
Aww.
Level with that?
You're so cute. Look,
Little,
I see what you did there.
I don't know what you're talking about, miss.
I see it. I'm sure the Bali Bunch sees it too.
No, we can't see anything on there.
I see what you did here, Boo Boo. I love Rachel. And nalikute mo sana eh. So sweet. Thank you, babe. So after 6 hours and the whole day
Yeah, it was many hours collecting the stuff and
arranging it. So we get to surprise Tusawe, but before we surprise him, we have to blindfold him.
that's right.
Are you ready to close your eyes? This boy has got trust issues, so this should be interesting. You ready? Alright, you're going to get guided by mommy and daddy, okay? Alright. I don't want it to cover your nose. So just hold on. Hold still.
It's covering his whole face. He looks very funny.
Are you ready? Alright, I don't want it too tight, but you have to trust mommy and daddy to guide you. Alright, Mr. T, you ready? Alright, you're excited, huh? Hold my hand. I don't want you to fall. Hold my hand.
You want me to hold it in here?
That's it. Alright, there's stairs coming up. You have to be careful. Can you? Are you ready? Foot up, foot up, foot up. Another foot. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Do you want to see? Do you like it?
All right.
It's for school. Your teacher sent it to you. Are you ready for school tomorrow?
I'm gonna do it too.
Now, quickly, before we forget, say thank you, Daddy. Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Mommy.
And say thank you, Grandma, for your desk. Grandma bought you your desk. Yeah. Alright. See, Uga. Look, open in here. Open your drawer here. Open your drawer here.
Open your drawer.
Open. You get all your school stuff there.
And then here, look, this one too, this one too. Open it.
And this one.
Whoa! And then look. The cabinet. Pull it open. Oh my goodness! Say thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mom.
Let's see what's in that cabinet. Alright, let's close out the video. Thank you for joining us in preparing Mr. T's school. This is the new normal of
Yeah, homeschooling.
homeschooling. Wish us luck. Fingers crossed.
It starts tomorrow.
Yeah.
9 a.m.
Yeah, definitely does.
So,
Alright, Mr. T. What do you want to tell the Byerly bunch? If you're new here,
Make sure to subscribe.
join the bunch.
that's right. Make sure to follow us on Instagram.
We have our handle right here. And yeah, thank you so much for this endeavor. But we worked so hard today.
We all did.
Look, guys, it's dark outside.
Grounds are dumped on the floor.
Of course. Alright. Bye, everybody.
Alright. You want to say it with me?
1, 2, 3, go.
Byerly's out.
Bye.
Okay. Let's
Good job,
leave the
Gabriel.
computer alone.